Welcome back to Tooth Talk. Today we are talking about a life-changing solution for patients who are missing teeth, which is dental implants. We're joined by Sullivan Dental Partners to break it all down. Dr. Sully, we hear so much about dental implants these days, but what are they?
Yeah, so dental implants are the best, most natural way to replace missing teeth, right? So if you've lost one tooth or you recognize that you're probably going to be losing most of your teeth, dental implants are really the gold standard in 2026 to get your teeth replaced.
For someone who is missing those teeth, why are implants considered the gold standard?
That's a great question. So there's really three ways. There's something that comes in and out of your mouth, which most patients don't want, right? There's a bridge, but the downside of that is we have to cut down the teeth adjacent to it. So the beauty of a dental implant is it replaces that one tooth in the most non-invasive fashion. And then the flip side of that is when we're replacing all your teeth, we can actually give you teeth that function and look just like natural teeth.
What does that process look like from the first consultation to the final smile?
So that's a great question. So we start with a complimentary consultation where we take a 3D x-ray. This allows us to evaluate all the clinical parameters on whether someone's a candidate or not for an implant. And then from there, we put together that plan.
So is this something that most people qualify for, or are there limitations?
That's a good question. And often we hear things like, well, I was told I don't have enough bone, or, I'm not a candidate. And what we find is that almost every patient these days is a candidate. With technology and advancements in the dental implant industry, we're able to find ways to give patients back their teeth with dental implants more and more commonly.
And you're able to do all of this right in your office?
Yes, in one office, one place to go. It's a really nice thing, I think, because getting your dentistry under one roof means less time away from the office.
Yeah, this sounds so life-changing for some patients.
It really is. If you're missing one tooth or several dental implants, it can completely restore your smile and your confidence. You eat better, you smile bigger, and you live more confidently.
And for the first 10 patients, you can mention Tooth Talk for 10% off your dental implant treatment or 0% interest financing on qualified patients.